Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the STEM Digital School. This is Grade 5 Natural Sciences and Technology. My name is Unkarabete Setswe, and I will be your teacher today. So, guys, as you may remember that throughout the week, we have looked at matter and materials processing, right? We've looked at the use of metals as well as the special uses of metals. And today, guys, we will be playing Kahoot, all right? So I hope you have your devices ready. Or if you will be using one device, I'll just take you guys through the process of utilizing one device. Okay, and if maybe for some reason you cannot use one device, then you can use the group chat to send through your answer. Okay, so I see Karina's hand is up. Let me just hear what Karina has to say. Yes, Karina,
Hi, ma'am. I'm new
how are
to the.
you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
I'm well, thanks.
I'm new to the class.
Okay.
Um,
Welcome. Yes.
you, um, I have the app Kahoot, but I don't really know what it's for. And they say something about enter pin because I'm on the app right now because I'm using something else with for Zoom.
Oh, okay. So you have two devices that you're utilizing right now.
Yes.
All right, cool. Just follow the prompts that I will be giving to you, and then we should be good to go. Okay, so then you can use the session as revision. All right.
Thank you.
All right, awesome. Okay, so guys, see, Bonono says Kahoot, ma'am. Yes, Bonono, Kahoot. We spoke about it Miss, yesterday. How? All right. So guys, remember we had to study the properties of metals, properties of non-metals, as well as the special properties of metals, uses of metals. That is what we will be covering in the Kahoot. And as said, you will need two devices, or if you are using one device, then you can split your screen, okay? So if you're using your phone and your phone allows you to split your screen, then you can do that. Or if you are using a laptop, then you can also split your screen by just opening a new tab. All right. So guys, if you are using two devices, this is how your first device should look like. You must not exit the Zoom class, right? I need you guys to stay on the Zoom class because that is where your questions are going to appear. And your first device should look something like this. And then on your second device, this is where you go to www.kahoot.it. All right, so you guys need to go to kahoot.it on your second device, and then you will enter your game pin. So the game pin will appear on your first device, and then you will enter it on your second device. Right. And this is how things are going to go. Questions are going to appear on your first device, and you're going to use your second device to basically push in your answer. Okay, and then if you are using one device, this is an example of a phone, right? If you're using a phone, then there is this button here. As you can see, it's encircled that you can just press and hold for at least 5 seconds, and then it will split your screen and you'll get something like that. And you can just open up on your browser, all right, and go to www.kahoot.it. And if you are using a laptop, just open up a new tab. Use that plus sign there to just open up a new tab and go to kahoot.it, right? And so this is how your screen would look like on a phone. The other half would be the Zoom class, and the other half would be where you are selecting your answers. Okay, so is everyone following? Are we all ready to play Kahoot? Are we all ready? Just indicate to me. Can you use the yes icon. Cassie Karina has her hand up.
Ma'am, is that the pin?
Yes, it's a pin on the Zoom classroom, but it is not enabled on your guys' device. All right, it's an annotation
So,
button.
So it's not the real password we're supposed to use.
No, we're not going to use this pen. You're talking about the pen that is being shown on screen right now, right? This one.
Yes, ma'am. No,
Okay,
the
no,
other one on the other side.
on the other side.
Yes.
Oh, you're talking
Next
about the
to,
pin.
yes.
Oh, no. I'm still going to show you guys the pin, all right?
Oh,
I'm still
okay.
going to show the pin here. Boom.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, if you just joined in, we are playing Kahoot. Okay, and I hope everyone is ready and can access Kahoot. But if you do have any questions or you need help with anything, just put it in the group chat, then I will help you. All right. So I'm just going to start sharing my screen as well as the game pin. Okay. All right. So the game pin should appear in a few seconds, or the game password should appear in a few seconds, and there we go. So here is our password or PIN that you need to enter once you have gone to kahoot.it. It is 1475617. And your name should appear on the screen to show that you have entered. See, Lesedi is in, Karina is in, Dorito Queen. Okay. Kotza is in, Ethan, JK. Okay, Amanda's hand is up. Okay, Amanda, I'll take your hand now. Let me just mute the music. Okay, yes, Amanda.
Ma'am, I wanted to tell you that I am Dorito Queen.
Okay, where does it come from? Dorito Queen.
It comes from Doritos.
Oh, you like Doritos?
I don't like them, ma'am. I love them.
Ooh, okay. All right. Awesome. Okay, guys, let's enter. Let's enter. I see 6 of us, ne? JK, let's say the Ethan, Karina, Koto, and the Dorito Queen who loves Doritos. Okay, Banana says it's not working for me. The pin. Okay, Banana, make sure that you are entering the correct one. Ne? It is 1475617. Just try it again. Ne? Try it again. We'll just wait for you a bit. Hey guys, where are the other 4 or the other 3 students? Okay, Bonono, try restarting. Okay, just close the tab and reopen it again. Then try it again. It should work. Okay. Try restarting your tab and then entering the game pin again. It should work this time. Kutrano, where are you? I don't see you. Kopano, where are you? Sheshe, where are you? Okay, Karina is in. Shengi, I don't see you. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Are you managing? Guys, do not leave the game. We are going to start soon. I'm just waiting for everyone to get in. Okay, I'm just waiting for everyone to get in. If you are struggling with something and you need help, just raise your hand, or you can write your problem in the group chat, then maybe I can assist. Bonono, how is it going? Are you managing? All right, awesome. Okay, I see you are in Bonono. Okay, Shengi has a question. Okay, Amanda says, ma'am, someone left Kahoot, it's down to 5. They probably had a network error. Then we'll just wait for 3 minutes and hear what's going on. I see Shengi has the hand up. Okay. Yes, Shengi?
Ma'am, I don't understand what are we doing.
Oh, we're playing Kahoot. Were you in class just before the lesson started, or rather when the lesson started, or did you join in late?
I joined in late.
Okay. So were you in class yesterday?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so remember I said we're going to play Kahoot. Now you might need 2 devices. Do you have 2 devices or do you have 1 device? What are you using right now?
2 devices.
Or what are you using, a laptop or a phone?
A phone.
You're using a phone. So that's where you can see the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Guys, I'm just hold on, Neslengi. Guys, I'm going to remove the Kahoot screen just to help Slengi out. Né? Then we will go back to it. Right, so Slengi, can you see your screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cool. Just, can you see this button here on your phone? Can you get this button on your phone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, just press it and hold for about 5 seconds. Yeah? And then it should split your screen like this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Is it working?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cool. So then you can go to Chrome, right? You can go to Chrome.
Go to Chrome. Chrome. Is Chrome fine? Use Google. Can you use Google?
Ma'am, can we use Google?
Yes, you can also go to Google, né? You can also go to Google. It's also fine.
I'm in.
Okay, so once you are in, I need you to go to www.kahoot.it.
Please repeat, ma'am.
Kahoot.it. So it's right here. You can hear Kahoot.it, which is KAHOOT.it.
Ma'am, I'm still typing.
Okay, no problem.
Ma'am, should I play Kahoot?
Yes, we are playing Kahoot. Yebo. If you went to Kahoot.it, it should give you this screen here. You should get something like this, which says enter game pin here.
Ma'am,
Is
I've got it.
it appearing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, cool. All right, Karina, I see your hand. I'll be with you now. Okay, then you enter this pin. Ne? It is 147
7,
5617.
6,
One.
4.
Yeah.
Ma'am, then I press Google Play.
No, you don't press Google Play. You just press enter, ne? And then your name should appear here. Just press enter.
Can you repeat the pin?
147 5617.
6, 7.
Mhm.
Ma'am, it does not want. It says it's wrong.
It says it's wrong.
Ma'am.
Okay, just it's 147, ne? 147 5617.
Ma'am, I tapped that pin.
And it's saying it's a wrong pin.
Ma'am.
Okay, so I'll need you to just restart, ne? Just exit the browser or restart your browser and go to kahoot.it again. And just go to kahoot.it again and enter the game pin again. Then it should work. Okay, I'm gonna mute you now, ne? You can raise your hand again if you are still struggling. I just want to hear what Karina has to say, okay? Okay, Karina?
Sorry, ma'am. I was having a bad connection.
Oh, okay. So you're good now.
Yes, I'm fine. I'm back in. How many more people still need to join?
We're gonna start now once Lengiwe is done.
Okay.
Or Lengi, sorry. Okay, Lengi, just indicate to me if you are good to go. Is it okay now?
No, ma'am.
You're still struggling?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you go to kahoot.it?
Yes, ma'am.
Lengi?
Ma'am. Kahoot.it.
Yes, .it.
Ma'am, it says play Kahoot. Enter game pin.
So now this is where you enter your game pin, which is 147 5617.
147 5617.
Yeah, boo.
It was the wrong pin. No. It says okay.
Are you in?
Ma'am, it says I must type my name.
Okay, yeah, type your name. All right, beautiful. Okay, so we're going to start now, ne? Hey guys, 13 questions and get ready to answer. First question, metals are, and your first option is dull. The diamond says shiny and ductile. The circle light in weight. The square metals are found in the air. Choose the correct answer and you have about 35 seconds left. Are metals dull, shiny, and ductile? Are they light in weight or are they found in the air? Okay, so we're still waiting for 2 more or 3 more students to put in their answers. All right, 1 more. All right, so I see someone did not answer, did not manage to lock in their answer. So remember guys, ne, on your second device or on your other tab, you either press the triangle, the circle, the diamond, or the square. Ne? the one which corresponds with the correct answer. And those who answered, 6 of you got it correct and you said it is shiny and ductile, and 1 got it wrong. So remember, metals are heavy. Okay. Let's see who is leading the scoreboard. Bonono is in first place, followed by Kutso, Lesedi, Karina, and Yami. All right. Next question. Metals are mined from the earth. True or false? Metals are mined from the earth. True or false? Is it the diamond or is it the triangle? Which one is it? Yes, I see 6 answers are in. 7 answers. We're waiting for one more person. Just log in your answer. The Zoom meeting questions. An example of a non-metal is, an example of a non-metal, is it steel, rubber, gold, or wire? Steel, which is the red one, gold, which is the blue, rubber, which is yellow or peach, and wire, which is green. Choose one and choose the correct one. All right, beautiful guys. So an example of a non-metal is rubber, and we all got that correct. Well done. Okay, so I see first place Kotso took it, and Bonono is in second place, followed by Lesedi, Karina, and Yami. Next question. Non-metals can be, and you just need to finish up the question. Can non-metals be soft and flexible? Can they be dull in color? Can they be hard and brittle? Choose one and choose correctly. All right, beautiful guys. So in this question, all the options were correct. So non-metals can be soft or flexible, all right? An example of that is rubber. Non-metals can also be hard and brittle. An example of that is glass. And non-metals can also be dull in color. All right, so well done guys. And then we have Kotso still in first place, followed by Bonon, Lesedi, Karina, and Yami. Right? Next question, is it true or false? Non-metals can be grouped in different categories. Examples are ceramics, wood, plastic, etc. Can non-metals be grouped in different categories? True or false? So guys, if you are not in Kahoot, you can send your answers through to the group chat just to join in. All right, beautiful guys. So the answer is true. All right, so non-metals can be grouped in different categories. Okay, let us move on to the scoreboard. I see Bonono and Kotso are fighting for first place. Bonono is back up, followed by Kotso, Lesedi, Karina, and Yami. All right. Next question. Which of these metals are magnetic? Iron and nickel, gold and silver, gold and copper, or is it zinc and silver? All right, awesome. So guys, 6 of you got it correct. It is iron and nickel. And remember, the third one is cobalt. All right. So yesterday we used an acronym of ICN to remember the magnetic metals, and it is iron, nickel, and cobalt. And in this case, iron and nickel are magnetic. All right. Awesome, guys. So we have Bonono, Kotso, Karina, Lesedi, and Yemi. Right? Metals cannot conduct heat. True or false? Metals cannot conduct heat. True or false? All right, beautiful. So guys, the answer is false. Metals can conduct heat. Okay, so just read your questions carefully. I'm sure you guys were just confused by the cannot, or your eyes might have seen double or something like that. But metals can conduct heat. Okay, so just remember from the experiment that we did in class, or the investigation, using the metal spoon, the wooden spoon, as well as the plastic spoon. Okay. Let's see who's topping the scoreboard. Kgotso back on first place, followed by Karina, Lesedi, Bonono, and Yemi. All right. Next question, which is a true or false question. When iron reacts with oxygen in the air, it forms rust. When iron reacts with oxygen in the air, it forms rust. Is that true or is that false? So guys, if you are not in Kahoot, please use the group chat to send through your answers. Yeah, so if you're not joining us in Kahoot, please use the group chat to send through your answers. Aha, so guys, it is true, and well done to everyone. I see everyone got it correct. Well done. And let's see the scoreboard. Kgotso still in first place, followed by Karina, Lesedi, Bonono, and Yemi. Okay, next question. Iron can be protected against rust when we do what? Leave it in the sun, leave it to react with oxygen, or when we cover it with a coat of paint. Yeah, see, 6 answers are in. Can iron be protected against rust when we leave it in the sun, or when we leave it to react with oxygen, or when we cover it with a coat of paint? Is it red, blue, or orange? Think carefully, guys, and answer correctly. Okay, so we're waiting for one person to log in their answer, and you have 30 seconds remaining. All right. So 6 of us got it correct, and we said if we cover it with a coat of paint, so if we leave it in the sun, it is most probably going to rust. The iron will probably rust because there is oxygen, right, in the atmosphere, and the sun cannot protect iron from rust. Okay, the sun cannot protect iron from rust. Okay, so the correct answer is covering the iron with a coat of paint. Okay. see who's on the leaderboard. We have Koto in first place, followed by Lesedi, then Karina, then Yemi, and Ethan. Okay. See the next question. Copper coins can be cleaned using salt and vinegar. True or false? Think carefully, guys, before you answer. Think carefully. Is it true or false? Copper coins can be cleaned using salt and vinegar. All right, well done. So the answer is true. Remember we did an example, I believe it was yesterday, right? We did an example where, or rather we looked at an investigation where salt and vinegar was used to clean dull coins, okay? And they came out polished as in this picture here. All right, so yes, salt and vinegar can be used to clean copper coins. And we're also given another example of how we can use baking soda or bicarbonate of soda to also clean coins. All right. Let us move on to the scoreboard. Kotso is still in first place. Then we have Lesedi, followed by Karina, Yemi, and Ethan. Wow, Ethan, welcome to top 5. Okay, next question. I believe it's the second last question, if I'm not mistaken. Metal alloy refers to a mixture of two or more metals. A metal alloy refers to a mixture of two or more metals. True or false? Read your question carefully and answer correctly. Yeah, beautiful, guys. So that is true. Remember, when we speak of a metal alloy, we are speaking of a mixture of metals. All right, and an example of a metal alloy is steel. Okay, an example of a metal alloy is steel. Remember, we did mention that steel is a mixture of iron and other metals, right? So some steel includes copper, others include gold, etc. Okay, as well as silver. Okay, so the two of us that got it incorrect, just remember a metal alloy is a mixture of two or more metals. All right, so I hope you guys are having fun and learning as well. Let's see the scoreboard. First place, we still have Kotso, followed by Lesedi, then Karina, Ethan, and Yami. All right. Let us move on to our, oh, sorry, this is the second last question, which says, why are metals used in the building of bridges? Why are metals used in the building of bridges? Is it because metals are soft? Or is it because metals are strong and don't break easily? Or is it because metals are brittle? Aha, beautiful, guys. So the answer is because metals are strong and do not break easily. Well done to everyone. And let us look at the scoreboard. Okay, I see Dorito Queen made her way to the top 5. Kotso in first place, followed by Lesedi, Karina, Ethan, and Amanda. All right, last question. Is it true or false, ne? When we choose a material for a certain purpose, we should look for a material with the right properties for the job. Take your time, read the question correctly, or rather carefully, and answer correctly. Guys, well done, Karina. Well done, Khoza. Well done, Nasedi. Ethan and Amanda are the runner-ups in 4th and 5th place. Okay, guys, let us congratulate Lesedi, Khoza, and Karina in the group chat. Well done, guys. Well done. It was fun watching you guys answer. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna move back to the PowerPoint, all right? All right, so well done to everyone, and thank you very much for participating, guys. Thank you, and hopefully next time we'll also be able to play Kahoot. Okay, guys, thank you very much for joining in. Just quickly, next week we will be doing revision of term 1 and term 2, because from the 20th of July or the week of the 20th, we will be having assessments on term 1 as well as term 2 work. Okay, so next week we will be doing revision of term 1 as well as term 2, and then on the week of the 20th we will be having assessments. Okay, I will talk more about the assessments next week during class, but nonetheless, guys, thank you very much for joining in, and if you do have any questions, please do send an email to stemdigitalschool@africa10gigs.co.za, and you guys should have a lovely weekend. And if you still have class, please do enjoy class and don't be late. Do not bunk class. Yes, guys, it was lovely playing with you guys, and see you Monday. So I see, Karina, do you perhaps have a